Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to use video in your branding strategy. The quickest way to humanize your brand, short of meeting people face to face, is to share interesting, entertaining video featuring your brand leaders, staff, customers, experts, products, and behind the scene views that let others get to know your brand and the value it provides in your marketplace. Videos also help improve your brand's online visibility because they provide content to post on YouTube, which is the second largest search engine. And at first, we're gonna talk about shooting, editing, and posting video. Whether you opt for broadcast quality studio produced video, video produced from an in-home, in office, or in garage. Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to use video in your branding strategy. The quickest way to humanize your brand, short of meeting people face to face, is to share interesting, entertaining video featuring your brand leaders, staff, customers, experts, products, and behind the scene views that let others get to know your brand and the value it provides in your marketplace. Videos also help improve your brand's online visibility because they provide content to post on YouTube, which is the second largest search engine. At first, let's talk about shooting, editing, and posting video. Whether you opt for broadcast quality studio produced video, video produced from an in-home, in office, or in garage studio, or video produced using a mobile app, the price tags vary hugely, but the requirements are the same. At first, create video that matches the quality, image, and voice of your brand and the interests of your target audience. And open with a strong introduction. Research shows that viewership plummets after the first few seconds if the introduction doesn't immediately grab attention. And edit your video with viewer retention in mind. Videos of 5 minutes or longer outperform all others in YouTube rankings, but first you have to hook and hold viewer interest. And include a call to action. And then choose a video file name using keywords that targeted viewers are likely to use in searches. And create a keyword-rich summary. And then share the video. You can upload your video directly to your blog, Facebook page, or other sites, but you're smart to upload it first to YouTube for no cost and then embed it from YouTube onto your other online locations so that all viewer engagement is captured on your YouTube channel. YouTube ranks video based on how many people view it, how long they watch, and how many comments they leave, how many subscribe after viewing, and how many share the video or click to watch later, and how many incoming links point to it. By pointing all traffic to YouTube, you improve your ranking. With just a Google account, you can watch, like, and subscribe on YouTube. But without a free YouTube channel, your business or brand won't have any public presence on YouTube. To create a YouTube channel for your brand, Google Help provides these instructions. At first, make sure you're signed into YouTube and then go to All My Channels. And if you want to make a YouTube channel for a Google Plus page you manage, you can choose it here. Otherwise, click Create a New Channel and then fill out the details to create your new channel. After your channel is created, click Upload to add content to your brand channel. Then, as you share links to your video on your social media pages, alert followers that the post includes a video by using a headline. And the other thing is brand building with micro video. With video on track to account for 2/3 of consumer internet traffic by 2017, it's no wonder that brands of all types and sizes are adding quick clip video to their social media pages. And following are the top micro video options. Vine is the Twitter-owned mobile app that makes creation of looping, replaying video easy and inexpensive. Just download and install the free Vine app and sign in with your Twitter account or email address. You can face the camera toward or away from you, and you can save videos for later consideration, and you can use low-tag editing features to slice out bits and pare the video down to a quick, smoothly flowing piece. When it's ready, click share, add a caption with hashtagged keywords, your location, and your channel tag, and post it on your Facebook and Twitter accounts, and embed it on your website or blog to encourage the kind of viral sharing that micro video often generates. And Instagram lets you share 3 to 15-second video that you recorded using the Instagram app. And in addition to length, Instagram micro videos differ from 1 6-second videos in several ways. They don't loop and replay, and they appear on Twitter as links and on Facebook as videos. And they can be customized with filters and edited with features not available to Vine producers. And the last thing that we're going to talk about, giving slide presentations long life through social media. If your brand goals include developing credibility as a thought leader, move SlideShare, the world's largest online community for sharing presentations and professional content, onto your list of social media tools. And you need to take some steps. At first, create a set of PowerPoint or keynote slides to support a new presentation, or to compile and repurpose content from your blog or from a recent webinar, conference, report, or other material. And then give your slide presentation, often called a slide deck, a title, description, and individual slide labels that use long tail keywords, which are more specific than single words and more apt to be searched by those seeking detailed information. And be sure your first slide uses bold graphics and colors, and interesting and legible type font, and a title conveying a strong and interesting topic that will attract attention from those glancing at thumbnails of your slides. And use as little text as possible to convey information that's highly informative, interesting, and capable of building into a story that viewers feel you are narrating. On average, SlideShare presentations have 19 slides and 24 words per slide. And develop a look and use a template throughout the presentation, and ideally for all brand presentations. Feature hyperlinks on slides to drive traffic to your website, landing pages, and social media brand pages, along with a call to action that inspires people to click the link. And then upload your slide deck to SlideShare and enable the share function to allow and encourage others to share or embed your presentation. Click the embed icon to add the slide deck to your own website or blog, then share the link on your social media brand pages and in other online communities or comments. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.